Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to make the logout button for the admin in Laravel 8. Okay, so previously we had seen how to integrate the admin panel in Laravel 8. So here is this we have. I'll just show you this thing. Once you log in the home page, and here we'll go home, and here we have the logout button, right? So when I click logout, it logs out. Okay, so when I log in here, and I'll get the admin login detail over here. Okay, so I have logged in over here, and you can see it's taking me to the dashboard. Okay, so now I want to add the logout button over here. So here it is there, but when I click, it's not logging out. So how to make this logout button in this admin panel, we are going to see now. So let us go to the code. So this is our code, and this is the routes. So on this routes we need, so I'll go to the index page, and here it is. Okay, so in this admin we have included the sidebar and the nav bar. Okay, so I'll open the admin nav bar over here, and here this logout button is there, right? We are going to make it over here. So I just showed you when we had logged out previously, it was there in this app.blade.php file. Okay, so you can save, and you can see here you have all this my profile and the logout button over here. So we just need to copy from here this a tag and this form tag also. So just copy this form tag and go to the admin navbar blade, admin nav.blade.php file, and just paste it below this a tag, and I'll just align it. Okay, yeah, so it's aligned. And here you can see this previously we had drop down items, so we don't have to change the class, and this href part, this will handle over here. So the previous logout thing, you can just remove it from here. This will be the label as logout, and it will handle the logout request. So let us close everything and check the output. Okay, save, close. Let us go to our browser and let's refresh. And here this logout button, you can see the URL will show over here. So when you hover there, you can see logout. So when you click, you will be logged out from your admin panel. So that's it in this video, guys. We have seen how to make the logout button in Laravel 8. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.